Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to edit Zoom recordings. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to animate it. So here we can see two Zoom recordings files here, and to edit Zoom recording file I'm going to using here a software called Camtasia Studio. So you will get this software on internet, so download this Camtasia Studio on your computer and install this on your PC, and after that open your file here. Simply you can drag and drop your recording here, and now drag the recording file in this timeline, and you can make the video larger. And to trim the video, select the part and click on this split, and I'm going to deleting this middle part. So edit your video here, and now let's see how to save or export the video. So click on share, you can select any of them. I'm going to selecting a local file. Next, and here you can select exported destination, and you can give here the file name, and then click on finish, and your video will be exported to your computer. So this is how we can edit a Zoom meeting recording. If you think to see more Zoom videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.